the place. The throne is at stake. Oh.
If you make any unnecessary noise, I slit your throat for you. See, it's either you nod or you shake your head when I say something. Do you understand? Good boy. Now, you are going to take me to that place you locked up my mother. And you open and release her. Then you will personally drive us out of this community to a place I will show you. And once that is done, I will release you and you start coming back. Is that understood?
Sorry, I'm a bit confused.
You are not to say a word. I say if you say anything, I slit your neck. Ah!
Are you alright?
Oh yes, I'm fine. You came right on time. How did he enter the throne room?
I have no idea. The guards have to be punished for their negligence.
I think he's working with the guards. Because how come none of them are here? Honestly, I don't trust anyone in this palace right now.
No, you have to trust me. I'll take charge of your security department, but meanwhile, let me look for a way to take this shit out of here. Just wait. I'm coming back.
I'm not in a good frame of mind, so I'll just go straight to the point. As we all know, this man here was found guilty of killing my father, the late king. On that day, I wanted to execute him, but the Queen Mother pleaded on his behalf. I forgave him. But yesterday, just yesterday, this man here sneaked into the throne room to kill me. If not for the timely intervention of my personal assistant here, it would have been a different story altogether.
That's right.
So you see, these two being alive in this kingdom is a total threat to my reign. So for that reason, I'm ordering for their execution. So on the next Eke Market day, they will be executed at the town square. So let all the elders know that this is the king's command. Guards! Take them in and prepare them for execution.
Yeah?
Son?
Oh.
I want to speak with you.
Finally decided to come out of your room today.
Can I sit?
Oh yes, have a seat. What is it you want to talk about?
I want us to talk about Queen Mother. I want you to think it through what you're about to do to her. Even though I've had my differences with her in the past, she doesn't deserve to die publicly like that. She deserves more.
So what do you expect me to do? Call her, encourage her to do more? I don't get it.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is that you can banish them. You can send them far away, just very far away. Let them live the rest of their lives out there. Instead of you soiling your innocent hands with their blood. They don't deserve it.
Anyway, you made a point. I will think about it and have a review if I may consider, this is more like the first time you've asked me for a favor, so I think I might want to think about it.
I can't even believe the both of you. Really, mother? You were petting him, begging him, pampering him instead of to tell him the truth to his face. Even if the whole world is scared of you, I am your sister. I am not scared of you, and I will tell you the truth. If you do not change, I will expose you for who you are. Continue supporting him. I don't even know why I'm here.
Nwa gị nwaanyị a bụ dudu belụ n'amụ. Igbuo ya, ịkọwa akwa amụ. Ịrapụkwana ya, ọ tapuo akpa amụ. I don't know what to do with her. I mean, for flaunting my orders, she deserves a very huge punishment from me. I'm just thinking. Just look at the way she spoke to me. I'm still thinking.
I heard you're my son's court jester. You always make my son feel better whenever he feels down. I would like you to tell me a few jokes to lighten up my spirit.
Your Majesty, I was never a comedian. I cannot crack jokes to save my life. Please don't ask me to do what I cannot do.
How did you get this?
It was a gift from my father.
Your father?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Listen, I need to confirm something from you. Yes, that assignment I sent you to carry out years ago. Yes, I know you finished. I want to know, how about the baby? Did you kill the baby? You didn't see the baby in the room. Ego, idiot, who did you tell? I'm not being no fear. Now listen, if that thing I sent you to do backfires, it will sink us both. Ewu. What is wrong with this boy? Huh?
Mother, who was that? I overheard you talking to someone about a baby. Which baby?
Andaline, what did you hear?
I heard you saying or talking to someone about a baby. I don't know. Which baby?
Must you say everything you hear? I thought you have grown up a bit. Stupid.
How does it? Please, you can wait for me now. Okay, I'm coming. You don't go. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Obaka,
Your Majesty.
I can see His Majesty has released your son to you.
Yes, he did. And I will make sure I keep him out of trouble from now on.
I'm sure you will.
I've been meaning to ask you this. How did you get Anose? Because I don't remember your wife being pregnant that period.
Anozia is my wife's late brother's son. We took him when he lost his parents.
I see. And the royal necklace around his neck?
It is a gift from Your Majesty, Dike. Though I protested about it, but the king wanted him to have it, so I have no any other option.
Why?
Well, he didn't actually tell me anything about it.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see.
Your Majesty, I beg to take my leave. I believe I'm making my son. It's waiting for me there.
Follow you to anywhere you want without further questions. Don't drag me like a little child.
Can you calm down? Must you joke over everything? Must you play all the time? Even when somebody is dying, you're still playing. Listen, our son's kingship reign is in danger. As I speak with you, he's in danger.
What do you mean? Danger from who?
My late husband's lost son.
Lost?
Yes.
I thought that the little child was killed alongside with the mother.
Can you reduce your voice? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? That was something I believed. That was what I believed. Until I found out differently recently. I remain.
Do you have an idea who or where the lost son is?
I believe Anozie is that lost son. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you stop being dramatic? Can you stop?
Anozie.
No, Kamdi, don't talk like that. This is not something to toy with. If that boy is truly who I think he is, he might raise the people against you.
Oh, Mom, come on. You should know the person you give birth to. I'm not a weakling for crying out loud. Who the hell is Anozie? He's under my... I'll crush him like this. I'll crush him.
Your Majesty, even at that, we don't supposed to, get ourselves loose. We must take precaution for unwanted surprises.
There is no surprises springing up from anywhere. Right? You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. As far as I'm concerned, he is a nobody. Ebube Dike's son died years ago with his prostitute mother. So until I see a proof, I'm not going to talk about this.
Ha!
Okay?
That's what I'm saying.
Mom, leave these things for me. You trust me.
You just keep calm. Allow him to think. I am his personal advisor.
Then advise him well.
So let him think. We are thinking.
Maybe just say, can I think?
Can't you understand a simple word? The king is thinking. We are thinking. It is called social intelligence. Keep quiet.
Anozie. You are awake.
Yes, Papa. I couldn't sleep.
Don't worry. You will soon get to sleep peacefully.
Papa,
Hmm?
can I ask you something?
Of course, yes. Go ahead, my son. I'm listening.
Papa, you know I've never lied to you before. I've always been honest and truthful to you in everything I do.
Mm-hmm.
So I expect you to do the same to me too.
I will.
Papa, who is my real father?
I have always known a day like this will come. My son, I will tell you the whole truth. It all happened 20 years ago. Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome, my friend. Thank you for responding to my call.
No, thank you, Your Highness.
Let me just go straight to the point. My mother had been on my neck to bring in Beatrice and my son to the palace. I want you to do the task for me. I would have loved to do it myself, but I have a small entourage in this village this morning.
No problem, Your Highness. I will go and get them without delay.
Oh, go in one of my cars and get a driver, okay? Maybe you should go with your own car. Yes.
Nah, there's no problem, Your Highness, but I think it will be better I go alone. You see, you never can tell who is watching. Moreover, words have ears.
That's true. Anyway, I trust your judgment. So do as you wish.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you so
I
much.
will be on my way.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anyone in? Anyone at home? Beatrice? The door is open. Can I come in? Are you sleeping? No. This cannot be happening. Huh? Who could have done this evil act? Hey, what will I tell the king? Am I making the wise decision here? Who knows if Beatrice was murdered by someone from the palace? Is it wise to bring her son here? No, I will not. I will do everything to keep the boy safe. How can you stop that thing you're doing? Take this baby. What is this? They killed the mother. And I need a safe place to keep the baby for now.
And you think our house is the safe place? Supposing the killers followed you here.
Stop complaining, woman, and do what I asked you to do.
Oh, sorry.
I should have listened to my mother. I should have brought Beatrice straight to the palace immediately. She and my son would have been alive now. I wanted to wear this around his neck as a symbol that he was birthed into royalty.
Your Highness, you don't have to be harsh on yourself. As a matter of fact, God knows the best. Our prayer should be for God to expose those that are responsible. As long as there is life, there is hope. You have to...
Greetings, Your Majesty. I have a bit of good news for you.
I am not in the mood for any news this moment.
Is everything okay? Are you alright? The newborn are supposed to be here.
You heard me.
Are they not here yet? See, what is going on? Is everything alright?
His Highness needs to be left alone.
Oh, that? No problem. Excuse me.
Nai, you listen, Goli? I should get more.
Okay, you can take it. Okay. Go.
Welcome, my friend. I hope my food is available.
Yes, Your Highness. Get it there. What a surprise visit. Well, your food is available. Let me ask my wife to get your own portion for you to eat.
Don't worry. I actually had my meal before I left the palace.
Okay, no problem. But it has been long. My king paid me a visit. I hope I'm safe.
Bubaka, my friend, you are safe. I was just taking my usual evening stroll. So I decided to pay you a visit.
You're welcome. Hi. You're welcome, Your Highness.
I can hear baby crying. Is there a baby in this house?
Yes. It's the son of my wife's brother who dropped him here for my wife to win him.
Oh, I see. I would have loved to see the baby. It reminds me of how I would have had my own son.
I think my wife is betting him. So maybe when they are done, then you can see the baby.
Okay, I can't wait. I must be on my way. I always wish the day I would wear this on my son's neck. You can have it. Give it to your wife's nephew.
Thank you, Your Highness. But you don't even know the boy. Moreover, this is a symbol of royalty.
I know. It's a constant reminder of my son that I never held. As long as I keep seeing the necklace. Keep it. The necklace is very valuable and you can sell it for a good price. In fact, take it as an appreciation from me.
Thank you, Your Highness. That was what happened, my son.
Now I understand why the Queen Mother was worried when she saw the speed.
The Queen Mother saw it on your leg.
Yes, Papa.
You mean the rumors I've been hearing in the palace is actually true?
It seems so. Because Ichi Obaka has never lied to me before. And I don't think he's going to start now. And the necklace I have caused your mother to start asking me several questions, which I believe reminded her of something.
Yes, this necklace. I heard that anyone that is seen wearing this necklace is either a crown prince or someone that the king wants to succeed him.
I am confused. I don't think I stand a chance. Who will believe me?
I believe you. And if you give the people of this community a reason, they will believe you too.
You mean you stand with me against a brother?
Yes. I will stand with you. I am with you.
Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you.
It's okay. I mean, it's high time this reign of terror comes to an end.
I cannot thank you enough.
Oh no, I'm very, very sorry for this impromptu visit. The matter that brought me here is urgent.
Obaka, our friendship have grown past the level of we having time of date of our meeting. My doors are open for you to come in anytime, any day.
Oh, thank you, my good friend. I will not take much of your time. But you remember some days ago when we were discussing and I told you that we should not lose hope on the future of this, our village. You remember?
Yes, I remember.
That very future I told you about, is now. We have to grab it before it is too late.
Obaka,
that's me.
You are still speaking in parables. Just go straight to the point so that I will understand you.
But do you remember the time our late King Ebubedike got a woman pregnant? And that woman gave birth to a son. And he told me to go and get the woman and the son. Do you remember?
Obaka, I was not in the palace that day. But I remember you telling me that the king sent you on such errand. But you came back to tell the king that you met the woman and the child in the pool of their blood dead.
Yes, I say so, but it was a lie.
Huh?
Yes, I told that lie to protect the child. Because no one can tell if those people that are there at the palace are the people that wanted the child dead. I don't know, so I decided to tell that lie to protect the child.
Anyway, Obaka, that is in the past now. Where is the prince?
The prince? This is the prince beside you.
So, my friend Obaka, you mean you have been with
the prince all this while?
Of course. What do you expect? If he had not asked me, I wouldn't have revealed to anyone.
But this is a big revelation. Oh.
Of course it is.
But do we have any proof? And secondly, who will believe us that this is the king's lost son?
That's a very big and important question. So look at him. The necklace on his neck belongs to Ebubedike. He was about to place the necklace on his neck when I told him that he died together with the mother. But instead, he decided to hand it over to me as a gift.
Hey, Obaka. This is too heavy for my ears alone. Oh. But we have to play this with caution and protect this young man. Because the king might plan to get rid of Al-Nazir. So we need to protect him until that day will strike.
I thank you so much, my good friend. You are right. We owe it to Ebubedike to see that the land he struggled to enrich is in safe hands. Thank you so much. We have to be on our way.
Obaka Epuogo Montio. Hi.
We have to be on our way.
Okay.
Alozie. I got. Oh no.
Hi, may the gods bless you.
Here you are.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I've been having meetings, phone calls, arrangements, and everything. You know, this weekend your marriage is coming up, so I want to make sure.
Excuse me. Whose marriage are you talking about?
Now you know me to be very busy with my time, organizing stuff for the kingdom. So I wouldn't want to waste time talking about things we have already talked about before. Of course you know you're getting married to the prince.
No. Of course I remember telling you that I will not marry your prince. I will marry a man that I do not love.
Why are you talking like a child? Marriage is something that you definitely get used to. Okay? Love comes with spending time with someone all the time. Definitely, you get used to that person.
Kandi, there is nothing you will do or say that will make me change my mind. I do not love this man. I will not marry him.
We don't have to go on and on this because definitely I will win. Don't make us do this. I have given this prince my word. I have promised him that he must marry my sister. So there's no going back. Don't even drag it because definitely you will marry him.
Well,
so just iron your veil and get ready. Prepare your stuff, your necklaces, everything ready because this weekend you must marry him.
Kandi, that is not going to happen. You would have to find a wife for your prince.
I have warned you.
You would find a wife for your prince. What do you mean you've given him your words? Well, take it back.
Father.
Son, I was was watching Johnson when I dozed off. What is it?
I am sick and tired of that worm called nausea. That boy has been a pain on my neck and I can't just shake him off. Now he has hooked my foolish sister into thinking he deserves her love. My sister can't even accept the man I chose for her, all because of that stupid parasite.
Son, calm down. You see, the only thing that has no solution is death. Everything has solution. Now let me ask you, as a wise king, when you came back to your living room and found your wife in the top of your matrimonial bed with a man, what do? You go outside and look for a stick and break his head. That's what a man does. No one can block your way. Instead, you block the person's way. Everything has solution. What we need is just to get rid of the entire family. That's all. Live and let live.
You think I haven't thought of that? Of course, I've thought about that several times. But that's going to be too much blood on our hands. So we need someone outside this kingdom. A total neutral person. Because I can't send my guards to do that.
Son, I am your legal advisor. Nobody's going to find any trace when the job is done. I have a perfect hand who will do this and it will be dusted. All I need from you as a king is to tell me go ahead and it is done.
And as the king, I command you to go ahead with the plan. Wipe the entire family.
Oh, my son, you want me to... His name is Anozie. The entire family, especially the boy. You see, I don't know where you went when their teacher was teaching you some economics. Their payment will be made in full when the job is done. That is how business is done. It is called common sense. Good. No, don't leave any stone unturned. Of course, you will receive a alert. Good. I am expecting answer as soon as possible. Thank you.
Your Majesty, are you okay?
I'm alright.
Who is that?
There is trouble. My head will be alright. Giving instruction that Anozie and his family should be killed. Shh! It's not time to shout. What are you doing? Across to him and warn him right now. Fast. How do I? Okay.
Oh.
Fast.
Okay. not picking my call.
Get across to him fast. The time you are wasting is dangerous.
Oh, how do I even leave the palace? The king instructed that I shouldn't be allowed to leave the palace, so I can't even go out.
Calm down. Do you know what? Go to the gate, I'll be coming.
Okay.
Fast.
Hey, Adora. Mama, you be. Mama.
I'm sorry to bother you. Is this Ichie Obeka's house?
Excuse me. Now who you be, I mean, who you define?
Huh?
You heard me. I said now who you be and who you define. They say.
Sorry. Forgive my bad manners. I'm Mr. Jack. I'm Alozi's friend. But it has been a while since I saw him. Is he in?
Yeah, Mr. Jack. I'm Alozi's friend. Who dash monkey banana? See, I know Alozi's alobas. His alobas now my alobas. Now we dey chill together. Now my G's them be now. I never see your face. Before you come here, you say you be Alozi's friend. Oga, you think Alomo?
Yeah, that is because I don't stay in the village. I only visit. We normally meet in the village square when I return. Is he in?
We normally meet at the village square. Yeah, except not that, so because me, I know all in alobas. I never see you. But anyway, since now Aloze you define, you're welcome. Sit here for there, go sit down. Yeah?
All right.
You're welcome. You go wait for. Oh, you there in a hurry?
No, not in a hurry.
You know they in a hurry, Abi?
No.
Oh yeah, now go sit down.
Can I help you?
Help me. Helping me is like you're wounding yourself now. Why you go help Jaka like me? Can you get ja? You can you get ja? They took on one day. No. You know they help me, oh my dear. Oh. Welcome here.
What happened? I've been trying to call you. You haven't been picking my calls. What's going on?
Yeah, I left my phone at home when I was rushing to the farm. What happened? I wasn't expecting you today.
The king. He sent someone to kill you and your family. That's why I've been calling you.
My family?
Yes.
Adora!
Let's go.
Let's go! Oh, guys, let's go, my friend!
Now wait, no try, I'm assume there. You won't hug me.
Hi.
Now wait till they walk you now. When they do like rats very big.
Adora.
Why they shake?
I thought something had happened to you.
For dream, I've been for where? Me. Something happened to me. No, they possible. Our princess. Now why everybody can't day for here? I see today na Christmas. Now waiting the sup now. This is when you just smile,
Just calm down. Let's go inside. I'll explain everything to you. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, they go now. This is the way you happy. Today na Christmas. So this is go shop chicken for here. Our princess. I beg, avoid me. So our princess so tall. Make she just avoid me for here.
Madam, Alpha, make I wait.
Now who you dey wait for? Now wetin dey work you? I beg make you dey go, you say make you wait, you dey crazy.
Jack, you mean that you didn't complete your assignment before leaving this house? So as we're speaking now, the boy is still breathing.
Well, I waited at his house, but he couldn't show up. I would have killed the girl I met at home, but it would have bring up suspicions. Just like you said that you want all of them dead.
Jack, to exactly what are we paying you for? Is it to smoke cigarette? You should have waited a little bit longer in that place. In fact, let me tell you what you don't know. The king will never be happy to hear this type of nonsense news. What's the meaning of this?
Well, if you want, I can help you.
You can help what? You have already messed up with the one they sent you and you're telling me you will help. I'm the one now they're going to clean up the mess. Try to leave. Just simple task, you can't do it.
Okay.
Leave, don't help anything. Leave! You can help. This little task, you could not do it. Every now and then give me my balance. When they give you your balance, it will go in between your fingers with a stick of cigarettes and a bottle of whiskey. Animal.
This is exactly what I was worried about. You told me that the person is a professional. Now nothing was achieved. Nothing.
My king, calm down. Just what I need is little patience. And I will handle this in person.
Oh, please, I'm tired of your empty promises. I'm tired. Do something, yet nothing, absolutely nothing.
Oh boy, this work never tire you.
I don't tire me, but man, you just got to relax, man.
I let you relax, so shout everywhere, slap everywhere.
No be small thing, but nothing we can do. We don't come, so don't come.
No, they tell me say we don't come, say we don't come. You can do still do that. No, be your mate, they do better work on this thing.
Where's the princess?
I don't know your highness.
I did not ask of the maiden. I asked of the princess. Where is she?
I don't know where she went to.
You don't know where she went to? Come here. Come. I have a bunch of incompetent fools around me. I specifically gave an order not to let her out of this palace. Now you can't even account when she left or where she went to. Where are you coming from?
Why don't you let them be? They don't bother you, yet you won't let them have one moment of peace. Why send people to go kill him and his family? I am ashamed to call you my brother. I am ashamed to call you king. Thank you.
Hello. Is there a problem?
I come bearing good news.
Please, you can go without your good news. As you can see, I'm having a meeting here.
No, this good news is one that you would like. Just hear me out. Okay, I have agreed to marry the prince you want me to marry. But on 2 conditions.
What could that be?
Well, the first one is that you release Anayo. And the second one is that you agree to do the remembrance celebration for the late king.
You must be out of your mind. That's right. Okay? You must be very stupid to think that I'll release the man that tried to kill me. Are you that senseless?
Your Majesty, please. I am begging.
I'm not going to do that. Don't even dare.